these are the buds. These are the buds. So when the flower is small, it is like this, and then it becomes big like this flowers. You see that? Yeah?
It becomes the buds and the flowers.
Yeah, the buds will become the flowers. Rings that you see in the tree here, these rings, they will tell you the age of the tree. You can know how old the tree was if you know to read these rings. Yeah, this is the moss. You're right. Look at the lichen, it's grown so big here.
Oh, plant, I'm so sorry.
Oh, you've been chopped, plant.
Wait, plant. A fish up. Wait, plant, I got an idea. I'll fix up with the tree.
See, they're making the noise. Yeah, come on, trees, talk to us. You hear that? These are the trees. Do you hear that? Begin. Yeah, everything blue. See? Yeah. Paint everything blue. Yeah. Making the blue background of the sky. Just as these flowers whom we are going to draw and paint now, just as these flowers were in the open sky. Yeah. Can you paint it like this? Can you paint like this? Spread it out. Spread out all the entire paint. You need more color? I'll mix it. Like this. See here, you need to make it like this. No. Like this. And then we have to draw this part of it, the bud. Okay? Like this. And then you have a bit of extension here. Okay? And you will have to reproduce the same thing here. A little bit of yellow. Here. Do it here. I'll take some yellow here again. And then it has this yellow. Look at this, look at this. Just thin yellow strips. Right? Just like this. There's a nest. Okay, just like this. Okay,
Mama,
just like this. See, have a look here. Where's your dandelion?
Mama,
Yeah.
I don't.